This is Grant, this is Stephanie. We're standing on King William Street in Hamilton, talking about a project of ours that's on the way. It's down on the street on the corner, King William and John, 31 John. It's under construction, and it used to be an old hotel. Stephanie I met having coffee, and she's doing her research at McMaster for her doctorate, and the old hotel, which was called what?
The Windsor Hotel, and it was built in 1876, and we're gonna go check it out.
Yeah. So one of the cool things is this building, it's being built. Look at all the condos. But what I love is what they're doing is they're taking the lower part and they're turning it into retail. So look at the old like the way they're doing the brickwork. They're trying to match with the old buildings on this side. Really, like it's what this street should be. It should be an artisan street. It should be a place for people to come and hang out. And during the summer, what's cool is this street's closed to traffic. All right, you've worked and lived in the street.
Yeah,
right?
I mean, that's what the street used to be. It used to be a place where there was a lot of community thriving, and it was a place to be, and that's why it has so much history, and it's, documented in the archives for a reason. So very cool to see it.
Yeah, yeah, it's very cool. And with you studying this in school, right? The archives, you see so much. I can't wait to hear more. So Stephanie and I are now standing outside of our project, our building, which is going to be a restaurant. And it's built in 1876. It's an old hotel. Stephanie, as I mentioned earlier, is studying this at school. And any thoughts on our building?
Yeah, so some standout architectural, parts of this building were the prominent Windsor Hotel sign that was just on the corner there facing John Street, and then the arched windows, which you said you've uncovered.
We uncovered, yeah. I mean, nobody ever knew they were there, not that we can find. So cool.
Yeah.
This is our building. This is the project that we're working on. We've been working on for 2 years. A lot of structural work has been done, and Stephanie and I are going to go inside and talk about all the work that we're working on right now, as well as the next few months before we open.
Oops, my apologies.
No worries. Thanks, guys.